This is the Swissklip Swisker ShinePod, a compact ultrasonic cleaning pod designed for everyday dental appliances. It's made for items like clear aligners, retainers, dentures, night guards, and mouth guards. The pod combines ultrasonic cleaning with UVC light in one convenient design, giving you a simple way to maintain your dental accessories as part of your regular care routine. I like that it comes with a travel case and tweezers, which are useful for storing and handling your dental appliances while keeping everything organized. The compact design also makes it easy to keep on a bathroom counter without taking up much space. If you use removable dental appliances and want a dedicated cleaning device with ultrasonic technology, UVC light, and useful accessories, the Swisker ShinePod offers a convenient all-in-one setup.